Hey, my home cooks and chef. You guys, you know, it's always a good time to get healthy any time of the year. And I've always been thinking about juicing for a long time. So I was more than happy when Inkbird sent me out this amazing juicer, the Sovider. But you know what? They not only just send me one, but they send me two. Guess what? For one of you home cooks or chef can definitely win one of these. Stay tuned for the whole video because you don't want to miss nothing, so you can learn how you can get one of these for yourself. But for me personally, I can't wait to do the review on this. Okay guys, so let's get into this review and see what's inside this box. So I got it out the box already, and the first thing, it came with a little instructions. You know, I don't really read the instructions like that, but if you want to, you can. Right on top, it came with a cleaning brush. Love cleaning brushes. If you have other products that come with cleaning brushes, you understand why. Love cleaning brushes. All right, let's see what else we have here. So this looked like the main piece. And I was really glad about this juicer because usually they're really complicated looking to me. And this one just seems very easy and simple. And so I was really happy about that. Nice and sleek too. So it might even go with your decor at home. Okay, let's see what else we got here. Look like these are the cups. So you have one that has, I'm pretty sure this is for your pulp. That probably goes on the side. And then this one has a little bit of measurements on it. So this is probably for your juice that comes out, so you can measure what's going on with it. And let's see what else is in here, guys. This looks like the part that juices, or some people call it the auger, I'm not sure. But it seemed like it's really simple and easy. Not too many pieces. And then we have one more piece that goes on top. Then of course, oh look, I'm sure this is where the fruit goes in, so it can flip it in and out. Talk about that in a second. And then let's get this out of the plastic. So look like it's really easy to use. And I'm pretty sure this is just what you use to, you see this right here, push your fruit down with it. So simple, really easy. I like the sleek look of it. Not too many pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 pieces. So what that means for us ladies, less washing. Glad about that. But most of all, this juicer, it does say that it has an auger that's maximum. So that's supposed to really get all the juice out of your fruit. So I can't definitely wait for KC. In the next segment, KC is going to show you guys how to use this juicer and give his own personal thoughts and review on it.
All right, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the open box review with my little lady, you know what I'm saying? But we about to get this thing working, you guys. That's what the whole point of this. So, you know, you got to put the hard work on me. So I got to assemble this bad boy. So let's get to assembling it. The manual actually has plenty of things in the manual to show you how to assemble it, but you know, it's pretty much self-explanatory. So, you know, pretty much you put this on, simple. You know what I'm saying? This is where the, you know, saying the pulp or the leftover of everything goes. This is where the juice spills out in. And let's put this on top. The auger, you know, it has a little grater, which is kind of cool. So, oh, here it goes. There you go. Yep, and there we go. And this goes in here where you shove everything down. There you go. All right, so next thing you want to do, let's plug it up. All right, you guys, so now I plugged it up, and don't forget, stay tuned to the entire video. We're going to be giving away one of these to one of you guys lucky winners out there, so stay tuned, and I have the full instructions on what you need to do to win one of these, so don't miss out on anything, because you might miss out on something I'm going to be explaining throughout this video, as even when I'm about to get ready to start you know, saying juicing up these fruits, it may help you win one of these too. So stay tuned, you guys. So all right, let's get into it. So all I gotta do is I see in the back it has a R for reverse, the middle is off. Let's, you know, turn it on and see how it sounds. All right, reverse. All right, you guys, so in the front, that's where you dump out everything. So let's get over to grabbing up some fruit. I'm pull it right on over. You know what I'm saying? Apples is always the best thing to juice. So let me put this up here at the front. Let's get to juicing some apples, you know, like I said. So all the instructions is self-explanatory, so let's throw in an apple, guys. All right, you guys, so you know, made a mistake, you know, so you gotta turn it on first. So I pulled out the apple. You know, so hopefully that's quiet. That's the exact sound it gives it off. So we're gonna throw it in there. See what happens. Uh-oh. Seems like I need a little help. Uh-oh. Let's see if it's juicing anything. Looking pretty good, guys. Dry it out. Now, I was told that you could use this for some smoothies, you know, so we'll see. Or you can use it for some compost or whatever like that. And they feel some apples pretty good. Pretty good. Now, guys, don't stick your finger in there. That's what this is for. Not bad, you guys. Let's see what it looks like with the juice. Man, the apple was real juicy right there. Now, you can leave it open to let the juice come out, you know what I'm saying, directly. Man. Let's see, it's getting a little full. I'm gonna try a couple more apples. I'm gonna try a green apple. Seems like it's doing pretty good, you guys. Still juicing. So, let's see what it tastes like. All right, you guys, so let me try it out, see how it tastes. Don't forget to close the lid, because you might have a little juice running out. Yeah, fresh apple juice. Let's see. Hey, that's fresh, guys. Pretty good. What you think? Come on, pretty good. Now, I think this was about 6 apples. You know what I'm saying? You can use this as compost, or you can use it in a smoothie, grind it down. But hey, it did pretty good for my first try, my first one. Hope you guys liked it. It came out really good. Juicer was really good. I'm really satisfied with it, you know, especially for my first juicer. I really like it. You know, really simple and easy to assemble and stuff like that. So the next thing is to see how fast it does washing. So stay tuned to that next video. On by. I know this is a new video and stuff like that. I'm your Chef KC. You know what I'm saying? Thanks for stopping on by. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, you guys. And like I said, I got something for you guys. So I'm about to tell you how to win one of these juicers.
If you would like to purchase this product and get a great discount, click on the link in the description below.
All right, you guys, the time has come for me to tell you how to win one of these wonderful juicers, you guys, from Inkbird, you guys. First thing you want to do is you want to jump over to my channel, be a subscriber, because if you're not a subscriber, you're not going to be able to win, you guys. Also, in the description below, make sure you tell me how many apples did I juice. These are real simple, easy things to follow. Also, too, the next thing I want to do is jump over to my Facebook page. The Urban Culture Kitchen Food Feeds the Soul. Yes, that's a long tongue twister. And if you see a picture of my beautiful face, this handsome young man here, no, I'm just kidding. Make sure you comment below, you know, say hashtag, you know, say Urban Inkbird, you guys. Don't forget to leave that in there. And you can thumbs up and say, I made it over here. And the last but not least, get over to my Instagram. I'm going to have all these links in the description below, so it will make it simple and easy for you to follow. And make sure you put in my Instagram. Make sure you follow. You need to be a follower. I want you to see you not being a follower, all right, guys? Because I'm giving you a nice, you know what I'm saying, wonderful juicer, you guys. You know what I'm saying? So one lucky winner, you know what I'm saying? And we're going to have a lot of these giveaways. So make sure you get over there to my Instagram and make sure you jump over to Inkbird, you know what I'm saying, and follow them as well. And that's all you need to do, you guys. And then we're going to have a spin for you guys to win. All right. So thanks for stopping on by. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't, are not new, thanks for coming on through. Hope you enjoyed the review. And I'll see you guys in the next one.
You guys didn't think I was glad KC have all the fun, right? Let me try this juice out. That's so good. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Inkbird. And I wanted to wish one of you guys the best of luck when it comes to winning one of these. See you guys around next time.